What's up YouTube, it is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up a really special vehicle that I just found the other day. This is the Hot Wheels Bullseyes Big Rig. This is a Super Rig from the Super Rig series, and as you may know, the Super Rigs is a big truck, comes with a small car, and there are a bunch of these on my Target actually. These are Target exclusives, at least I'm assuming because it says Target right on there. It's got an opening door in the back, comes with the aisle driver. Super cool exclusive piece. I actually really love this, and I've been wanting to find this, and I actually finally found it. So from the Super Rig Series 2022, comes with the aisle driver, another color of it. Look at that rig. Target Big Rig. And the base appears to be plastic. The only metal looks like this red right here, but this is such a cool piece. There's the back there. Hot Wheels Bullseyes Big Rig, and I think the casting is named something else, but they called it that for the particular release. And you can see that right there. Very cool designs on the package, but we're going to be opening this up. This is a Target exclusive. So yeah, let's get this opened and see what it looks like up close and loose. Okay, so we got the aisle driver right here. Super cool with the Target livery on it. All right. Let's get the rig out. Looks like I need to do a little extra cracking. Like pull from underneath here. Get the rig out. Wow, wicked cool. I think it's a detachable trailer. Is that true? Doesn't look like it. Maybe if you like do something, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave it on for now. Look at that. And we got a nice clean open on this. We'll be saving that card back. You see that right there, very cool. Let's take a look at the aisle driver first. So metallic red it looks like, or maybe enamel red. Looks like metallic red. White wheels, chrome rims, gray plastic base. And I got a lot of colors of this. I think I'm only missing like one or two colors of this. Target logo right there. Very cool. This is a ride-on, so you can put figures on it. Very nice. Yeah, that is super cool. Target exclusive. And then we see this right here. This is the Target Big Rig. The casting is called Rig Dog. There's a dog on it, so I guess, yeah. Alright, this entire thing is made in Thailand. A 2013 casting copyright on this particular casting. And you can read the base there. Black plastic base on both sides. Those are all beadlock off-road wheels, blower wheels, I call them. They all spin. Yep, they all spin pretty well. It's not really chromed out. They're more like a silver color, so pretty cool. Nice chrome pieces on there. That's the metal. Metallic red. That's the metal right there. This cab right here. And I don't know. Oh, it does have an interior. It's a gray interior. It connects to right there. And look at that design. Really cool. It says Target right there. Then look at the back. That opens right up. You can open that up. See, look at that. See the interior? And that's metal right there. That entire base of that is metal. At least I'm pretty sure. I'm not quite sure if that's metal. Maybe or maybe not. It's a lot colder than the other pieces, so I'm assuming that it is, but it might not be. There's still a chance, but sometimes, most of the time, the interior of that trailer is metal. Does kind of have a metal look to it. Does feel like metal. I don't know really. But yeah, even with the metal on that cab, very thick metal on that cab. A very nice piece. The Target Big Rig, you can put cars on top. As you can see there, you can put them on top or you can put them inside. That's kind of lame. This aisle driver doesn't even fit. But I'm glad they put the aisle driver in because it's one of the more desirable one of the more collectible castings for me since I have a lot of colors of it. And this Target exclusive is definitely my new favorite color of this particular casting. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Just opened up one of my most awesome scores of 2022, this Hot Wheels Bullseyes Big Rig, a Target exclusive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.